How to remove the message button on your Facebook profile. First thing you have to do is open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon or the menu icon at the top right and simply head over to your profile. So in order to hide your message button, let me just show you guys how it looks first. So if I tap on the three lines and then tap on view as, a normal public profile will be able to view my profile and they will be able to message me right here. Now, in order to remove this, what you need to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right. And then from here, you can choose how people can contact you or find you. Tap on it. Now scroll down and get to the message request. So on this messages section, what you can do is uh, for others on Messenger or Facebook, deliver request to don't receive request. And for friends of friends on Facebook, deliver request to, you can go ahead and click on don't receive request. Now tap on save. Make sure it's the same for all of these three options. And then tap on save. Now once you have done that, you could go ahead and tap on who can send you friend request. Click on just friends of friends and then tap on save. After you've done that, you can just go back. Your message request option should be gone. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.